It's our job to make sure everyone is happy. That's why our team works so hard at providing great service. It's so rewarding to receive and share great feedback like this. And as much as we think we're doing a good job, hearing about great experiences like this makes us push harder to do better. We really appreciate and enjoy what everyone has to say about us. The most important thing for us is that people take the time to tell us what a great job we're doing. But don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll love the value and attention to detail that our team delivers. Our door is always open to answer any questions you might have, so please don't hesitate. Contact us today at the number on your screen.